This is a 2011 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson Crew Cab, two-wheel drive, 124,000 miles. I absolutely love this truck. Love, love, love it. So fun to drive. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Carfax certified. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Tires are in great condition, rust-free. So many options on this truck. Navigation, rear backup camera, rear parking sensors, moonroof, sliding power rear window, dual exhaust. As you can tell, the vehicle is running. Just love the sound of it. Power running boards. Just an incredibly clean truck. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. Very, very clean truck. And you think the outside looks good, wait till you see the inside. There's your moonroof. Power running boards. Two-tone leather interior with the Harley Davidson emblem. Harley Davidson with the VIN number. Carfax report. Heated and air-conditioned seats. Navigation. Backup camera. Sony sync with Bluetooth. 124,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. Moonroof controls along with sliding rear window. Power seats. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Aftermarket wheels. So this is a 2011 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson Crew Cab, two-wheel drive, 124,000 miles. Just a stunning truck. One of my favorite trucks I've gotten in a long time. Needs nothing.